Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, egg enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in a funny way, transforming a simple breakfast into a delightful experience. We'll start by gathering our basic supplies: just one large egg, a trusty nonstick pan, and a whimsical egg mold. Preparing your cooking space is key for this fun culinary adventure. Get ready to turn an ordinary egg into something extraordinary and smile-inducing with just a few simple steps. Let's get cracking. Now for the fun part, the cooking. First, heat 1 tablespoon of butter or oil over medium-low heat in your nonstick pan. Gently place your fun-shaped mold into the warm pan. Then, carefully crack your egg directly into the mold, making sure the yolk settles nicely in the center. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the whites are completely set and the edges turn a lovely, light golden brown. This creates a perfectly shaped, funny egg. Once your funny egg is cooked, it's time for the grand reveal and presentation. Carefully remove the egg from its mold and gently transfer it to your serving plate. Now, let your creativity shine. Add edible googly eyes or a small vegetable smile to give your egg a playful personality. Serve your amusing creation with a side of toast cut into a complementary, equally funny shape. A sprinkle of paprika or chives can add a lovely touch of color and extra flair. But the fun doesn't stop with frying. There are many other ways to make eggs amusing. You could try making fluffy egg clouds by whipping the whites and baking them with the yolk. Or create charming egg flowers by slicing hard-boiled eggs and arranging the pieces like petals. For a vibrant twist, experiment with a tiny drop of food coloring in your scrambled eggs. And for a silly surprise, hide a small piece of cheese inside a scrambled egg before cooking. Enjoy your funny egg adventures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.